Hello guys, welcome to Vondessa J. I am Vondessa J, and today guys I am participating in this collaboration, and in this collaboration it is a coffee station and also a s'more station. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I have came up with.
I'm about to get into this, girls. It's for all my grown women out there.
Okay guys, so on my station what I decided to do was to set up my s'more station a little bit different. Usually you have your fire and everything around, so I decided to do it a little bit different for the simple reason this is set up in my kitchen. So I use my glass apothecary jars to put my chocolate in, my marshmallows in, and also my graham crackers. So I just have those sitting over on the wall right beside my coffee station. On my coffee station I just put the typical things that you would have along with the coffee that would make sense when it come down to having a s'more station. So I have my mocha and my white chocolate syrup, so when you make your coffee it'll be right there, so you can do it all together. And what I'll do is give you an example. I'm gonna make my coffee and I'm gonna do my s'mores guys, and my s'mores guys, my station, all come from the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, so I am done with my coffee and my s'mores. So this is my s'mores. And I like kind of like my marshmallow with that crispiness on it. Love it. And here is my coffee. So here it is. So guys, you know, let's set up for a taste test. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my coffee, guys. I did not add any sugar or any sweetener in my coffee. I'm using my sweetener only for the cold form and the chocolate that I put on top. For the simple reason, if you're drinking coffee and s'mores, the s'mores is sweet on top of sweet on top of sweet. So this is unsweetened coffee, because if you're diabetic, you don't need all that sugar. I'm not one, and I don't need all that sugar. So here is my coffee. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Perfect, just like that. Matter of fact, I just drink my coffee just like this. So good. So here is my s'mores. That's my s'mores. And I tell you I like it a little burnt. So good. So thank you so much for letting me be a part of this collaboration. To all of the people that's listed here that's a part of this collaboration. I would have never thought to put a coffee station and a s'more station together. I would have never. But this was fun. And I will have down below my coffee station. My pods come from Nespresso. Let me see. My containers here, you can find them off of Amazon. If I'm not mistaken, they're already in my Amazon store. My tray, Ross Department Store. My tray here, Ross Department Store. This is just one of the bowls, and I put the Dollar Tree, the little can fire inside. And this tray is from Ross Department Store. This tall one is the regular bottle. And I got the pump from off of Temu. And this pump and all is hand soap pump from Ross Department Store. So what they were doing now, making them, I was doing it a long time ago by using soap pumps. And other than that, guys, this is my s'more station. Here's my coffee and my s'mores. And I hope you guys have a fantabulous day. All right, guys. Now I'm ready to see who else did theirs and what was their outcome. So check the description, look for the hashtag, go and check out everybody else. Bye.
Drip off on top of you. Really see it here. Lift it up and toss it back. I know everything you want. I'ma show you how I stroke it. Bring it much stronger.